Assalamu alaikum learners. In this specific video tutorial, we are going to learn something about grades. Grades actually can serve as communication tool between student and instructors and allow instructors to track the progress of the students. The gradebook stores all the information about student progress in the course, measuring both letter grades and course outcomes. It easily help the instructors to input and distribute grades for students. Let's see how it look like and how we can work with the grades. On this course navigation bar, you will see a grade as a fifth option. On clicking on this, you will get the grades of different students. As I have only two modules that are unpublished right now, others are not assigned to the students, but when you will assign many assignments, it will all appear here. It is student name, module, and other works. Now you can see that student name. When I'll take my cursor to any of the box, I can see three dots on some areas. Like here, there are no dots, but here you can see three dots. By clicking on these dots, you can do different events with them, like sort by name, integration, login ID. You can display as first name, last name, secondary information, inactive enrollments, concluded enrollments, and when I click on assignment, you can see speed grader, message students who don't submitted the assignment, enter grade as point, percentage. There are different settings to that relevant field. Quizzes, you can only sort. Classwork, you can only sort. Assignments, you can only sort. Total, you can sort, display as point, and move to front. But with assignments, you can do so many things. At the top of the grade book, you can see these three tabs. One is grade book. You can see individual view, like you can see gradebook history. Okay, here type few letters. Right now I have no students, that's why it is not appearing here, but it will appear when you will have so many students. This is individual view. Okay, like I want to see the students of this class alphabetically. It is an individual view. Okay, and by clicking on this next student, you can go to the other students, and here you can also see gradebook history. Now I'm again going back to the gradebook. What type of views you can see here? By clicking on the view, arrange by, there are different orders. You can arrange according to your choice. You can make filters like assignment groups, modules, or sections. Suppose you don't want to see the modules, you just want to see the assignments. Okay, you can go with that. Then you can check the statuses of different students: late, missing, resubmitted, dropped, excused. These are few statuses. They will appear like that. When you will add the students, they will work on that, and you can see these things by selecting these. Okay, you can make the settings according to your own choice. And after that, we can have notes, unpublished assignments. We can see all. We can view our gradebook by our own choice. Then we can select the actions like import and export. Suppose we want we have saved some grades in our computer in Excel format. We can import it from our Excel workbook, or you can export it. You can see download. You can see download started here. It is CSV format. When you open it, it is an Excel format. Okay, now you can print it, you can give it to the students as per your choice. These we have discussed about these three buttons. Now if you go to all assignment tab, all assignment groups, assignments, you will see only assignments here, you will see classworks here, you will see quizzes here, whatever you want. Okay, assignments, here assignments will appear. Okay, it is the setting tab, setting icon. When you click on this setting icon, you can see three tabs: late policies, grade posting policy, and advanced. Late policies, you can set it by your own choice, like automatically apply grade for missing submissions. You can automatically give it like missing submission, I'm giving them 0%. Automatically apply deduction to late submission. How many points you are deducting? 100%. Day after date, they will submit if after date. Lowest possible grade is 0%. When I'll update it, all my late submissions will go according to my choice. Again, I'm going to the setting, grade posting policy. There are two policies: automatically post grades or manually post grades. Manually post grades means the grade will be hidden by default. Any grades that have already posted will remain visible, and choose when to post the grades for each assignment on each column in the grade book. Like when you want to post the grades, you can manually post those grades. Advanced, you have only one option that allow final grades override. If you select that, it will finally grade your everything. Okay, now update it. Your setting is done with your grades.